Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set up a pool in Microsoft Teams. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Microsoft Teams application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Microsoft Teams if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the activity, community, we have the chat and the calendar. In the bottom left corner, we have the invite to Teams and the search bar in the top side of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and set up a pool in Microsoft Teams. So setting up a pool in Microsoft Teams is a great way to gather feedback or make decisions quickly. First of all, launch the app on your desktop or web browser, as I told you earlier, and navigate to the chat or channel where you want to create the pool. Click on the plus icon next to the message box, and from the menu select pools. Then enter your question and add the answer options. You can also enable multiple choice if needed. Customize the pool settings such as due date and visibility. Click send to post the pool in the chat or channel. Participants can now vote on the pool and you can view the results in real time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.